Excellent, guys. So basically I'm in the kitchen right now going to give you a cleansing of the stomach with a few ingredients. Right over here we have some fresh organic cucumber which I just cut up and get it ready. We got some key lime. Right here we got a green apple and some pineapple and some fresh organic ginger. This right here, it is some flat parsley, which I just want to mention. That's something we're going to be making today, which is good for the stomach. All right, we're going to show you how you can get rid of that toxin out of your stomach, and something different where you guys can also make at home. So it is important for you guys to do something totally different. So stay blessed while we show you exactly how to do this one. All right, bye bye. Another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. It is amazing to be in the kitchen to giving you one of my best ever recipe for you guys to make at home. Anyway, today's recipe we are talking about how you can detox and flush out all of that toxin out of your gut. So right here, I'm stand up right here, I'm already prep up some ingredients and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to blend it up and make this an amazing, incredible, nice, lovely, fresh green juice. So stay right there, don't go anywhere, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Tell a friend tell a friend. This will be in episode 5. all right, so remember we are working on episode 5 and 6. One of them, it is like a healthy vegetables, and one of them is also like some healthy juice, healthy teas. But also we will be coming up with the summer recipes will be lay in the playlist. Also remember the book, get yourself a copy, and thank you so much for your time and support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Big up on yourself and whatever you do morning. All right, so we're going to do a simple one this morning. So number one, as I mentioned before, we have one medium-sized green apple. We're gonna put that straight into the blender, which I'm already cut up. We got some fresh ginger. We're gonna put that straight into the blender. We got 1 key lime. We're gonna put that straight into the blender. All right, and that is amazing, lovely. All right, secondly, we have some parsley. You need parsley to put inside of it, so we're gonna put that beautiful parsley inside of it. All right. Now, next, we got some fresh cucumber, which we're going to be using. And the cucumber is very important. All right. So I'm using 1 medium-sized cucumber. All right. Now, I'm going to tell you the honest truth. All right, guys. I'm going to simple blend this because my blender is not a large blender. It's a medium-sized one. Let's put a little bit of a liquid inside of it, roughly about 1/2 cups of water to free up the blender. So we put on the lid and let's blend this for 2 seconds. All right, just like that. And then what you want to do next is get the fresh pineapple. Now you need the pineapple inside of it because that's what's going to make the difference. The pineapple will give you that flavor and that taste. All right, yeah, so we are using a couple tablespoons of pineapple inside of it. That is lovely. All right, excellent. Once you put that pineapple, then what you want to do, we're going to go back to the blending. All right, and we're going to blend this for a few seconds. All right, so very simple recipe, but you can make it at home. Remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. All right, we're going to blend it now and then strain it. Let's make some noise. Excellent. All right, you don't want to be blending it too long. You just want to, because if you have a fast, good blender, it's going to just blend it properly. Pour it out like this right here, and that is excellent. As you can see, that is lovely and an amazing, guys. All right, yeah, so as I said, it's a simple little recipe, and I know you guys can do this at home 100%. Yes, you guys can do this at home. Look at that. So the parsley, we was doing a massive research on the parsley last night, which we were talking about the parsley and help to flush out the toxin out of your gut, and that's why a lot of people was requesting these drinks, and I said, oh, I would just definitely make it for my audience that they can get it. So this video will be out for 2 o'clock today. Yeah. With all of the ingredients will lay in the description box of the video. Now, a lot of people don't believe in cleaning the gut, as I mentioned many times, because they say, oh, we just eat, sleep, drink, eat, sleep, drink. You're gonna have to take some time and clean the gut. So that's why when you see a lot of people, when they go to the toilet, they have to do a vacuum out quickly, because the whole place have a high scent and all them things there, because of the toxin sitting in their gut for a period of time and don't move, and they don't balance out their diet with some nice good fruits and vegetables and all these things. All right, that's looking good, so let's put that one side. All right, this is how it look. As you guys can see, that looks really delicious. Yeah, that is it right here, like this. Lovely. So you can see that, and that looking delicious. Oh yes, that looking delicious and an amazing, and it is fantastic. This video will be out today on the cooking show, episode 5, and we are working on 6 also, because one is bare healthy recipes and one is like a juice recipes for summer. We will be giving you the guys hold it. So you can see this is it right here, and we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming out for you guys. So thank you for watching, stay blessed, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. Just did that on an amazing gut cleansing juice. It was fantastic, it was beautiful, and I hope you guys will love it. So you got a few ingredients in it with the parsley. This is a requested video from Jen, said can I make it, and I said yes, I can give you guys. So we are uploading this video today. So it's something different, something fantastic and amazing. So big up on yourself and stay blessed, man, and I will soon with more healthy recipes and more weight loss and detoxing. Remember, this video is also gonna be on episode 5 on my playlist, so go to the playlist and click and watch all of those on an amazing, incredible recipe, detoxing the body, cleansing the recipes, and all this kind of recipes. So big things happening at the moment. Hard work put it in, but at the end of the day it will pay off, because a lot of people are getting better and healthier. Big up on yourself, and whatever you do, stay blessed, and I'm out.